Congratulations on your purchase of SolidWorks from Design and Process. We're here to help you make the most of your investment with things like training, support, consulting, and more. This video will walk you through the 3 essential steps to get your license up and running. You'll receive a few emails from Dassault Systems, the maker of SolidWorks, but the email from us consolidates everything you need in one place. First, you need to use the link in the email to create your 3D Experience ID and access your 3D Experience platform. This is a key step because this is both your 3D Experience platform account and your SolidWorks account. Make sure to use the same email you used for your purchase. And always use this URL since it's tied specifically to your license. Bookmark that link for future access because you can access your 3D Experience platform via Google. Second, you need to get the SolidWorks installation files. You'll be able to access the download portal with your 3D Experience ID. From there, you can download the latest version of SolidWorks or older versions if your workflow requires them. Third, once you have the installation files, you're ready to install the software using your serial number. The installer you downloaded will walk you through a few steps, but the process is pretty straightforward. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to use SolidWorks. And remember, Design and Process is here to support you at every step, whether you need training, guidance, technical support, or consulting. We're committed to helping you get the most out of your SolidWorks investment.